Here we have a 2017 BMW 430d M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £9,000 of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a few there, we do have the M Sport Plus package, we also have the Driver Comfort package and the Dynamic package. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We also have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front kinder grills and front splitter. We have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so coming around to the passenger side you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler and the tailgate. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We also have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust on the left, and there's a look at that rear end. Coming back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if we take a look then at the interior, so if we just open the front door, fold the front seat forward, you can see we do have the two seats back here, full leather seats, fixed ISO points and the foldable armrest in the centre. Same leather seats for the front. There's a look at the passenger seat, and also quickly the driver's one. You see electrically adjustable, the memory function. We also have the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you find the dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. Got speed limiter and the cruise control on the left, paddle shifters of course either side of the steering wheel, high beam assist on that stalk there. As you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the heads up display just up here. If that's flickering or if any other lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, nothing to worry about. Got the main infotainment screen, it's currently showing the sat nav, but also has plenty of features on here with the buttons down here. Click onto media, you'll find the radio stations, go over to the left and you find the other options which you can scroll through. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Moving further down you find the vents. We do have the dual zone climate control, the ice cold air conditioning and the heated seat buttons either side. Again, further down you find the cup holders. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. You can press this button and switch through the different drive modes quickly, just like so. You find Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. We also have the sport displays, pretty cool feature to have. You see it also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. Putting the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the manual handbrake and finally the leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 430d XDRIVE. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm now to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now being off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we're doing the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you want to set the car into manual mode, you simply tap on the pedals to change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons on the right. We do have the heads up display just above here, which is currently showing the digital speedometer, along with the speed limit for the current road. We also have the Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. But if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the full leather seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable, and you can easily do 2, 3, other than 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for the cold winter mornings. And we also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. Again, plenty of features on there you'll have seen on the photos. For example, we have the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there we also have the dual zone climate control, which has the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And of course we have the automatic gearbox, which is really smooth through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now we've got our right indicator on, you have to slow down, and in a moment we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park. We just have to wait for the traffic to pass. Wait for this last car to go past, and then we make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. and I will perform emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reverse camera appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.